Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix AMD graphics driver error 182 on Windows 11 or 10. So first you need to head over to your start menu and right click on it. After that, go to device manager. Here in this new window, click on display adapters. Here, click on your AMD driver and click on update driver. Here, click on browse my computer for drivers, then click on let me pick from list of available drivers and click on the second one. After you are done updated, close the window and again right click on your graphics driver and click on properties. Here go to drivers, and if you have this option called a rollback driver, click on it and click on OK. So after that, check if the error still exists. If it does, then you need to search for Windows Update. So here, if you have any updates, please take it. You update your Windows, and after you're done updating, restart your computer and now check if the error is still going on. If it does, then go back to device manager and right click on it, go to properties and click on drivers again. So now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna search up your GPU on Google and search for the GPU a little older than your driver date. If it's 8, then search it for like about at least 2 months older, like 6, then download it and install in your PC. And that's it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.